Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today we're going to have a wonderful time together. Hi, today I'm going to make some rice noodles. As you can see, my water is boiling heavily. To this I'm going to add some thin rice noodles. As you can see, I have added my rice noodles and a little bit of salt. I'm going to add to that little bit of olive oil so the noodle does not stick to each other. As my rice noodle is boiling, I have added a pan and I'm going to put some, like 1 teaspoon of olive oil I added. I'm going to put some chopped onion and garlic and I'll saute them and get them ready to saute my rice noodle as it cooks. So I'm sauteing some onion and garlic and I'm gonna make them brown, and here my noodles still cooking, but I don't want to make them too soft. And after you boil the noodle, drain it, make sure you wash it thoroughly with very cold icy water. Okay, that's going to make the noodles separated from each other and won't be stuck to each other. So I have drained my noodles and washed them thoroughly with very icy cold water. The colder the water, the better it is. Then the noodles will be separated from each other and not be stuck like glue with each other. As you can see, my onion is getting sauteed, so I'm just gonna wait 5 more minutes, then add the noodles and toss it around. And then I'm going to add little bit of salt, little bit of turmeric, some soya sauce and some orange sauce. So as you can see, it's still cooking. So here is my vegan vegetarian simple noodles. I have added just rice noodles and sauteed onion and garlic. Boil the rice noodles, don't boil too much, wash it with cold water after you boil it, and then saute it with some onion and garlic. But onion and garlic, saute them, then add the noodles, then saute it some more time, then add little bit of salt, little bit of turmeric, little bit of some vegetable masala, spicy one, and then add some soya sauce and orange stir fry sauce at the end, at the last end before you take it out. And then you sprinkle some cilantro and some scallion chopped, whatever you like. So this is a simple way to cook rice noodles, and it's a good vegetarian vegan dish. Now you can saute up some broccoli, bell pepper, and carrot, whatever you like, and add it to it, and it's just gonna make it more huge content. But this is some simple, if you have just onion and noodles, you can make it. So make sometimes and enjoy. Thank you. Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.